Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Sometime last year, exactly 1 year and some days now, 1 year and some months now, Reverend Father Mbaka came and, on our airwaves told everyone who cared to listen that hope is coming into Imo State. The one who will bring the change, the modern day change that will bring hope to Imo Light. And the person is in form of Governor Hope Uzodinma. And of course, barely 2 weeks after, there was a change in the mandate. And of course, Governor Ejike Mbaka, lost the seat to Governor Hope Uzodinma, who the Supreme Court, quote and unquote, made him the legitimate, quote and unquote, governor of Imo State. Fast forward, there seems to be another trend right now, and Nigerians are talking. Imo Light are screaming. And just in the same vein, there's another news coming up again. UGM have done what they seem to know best in the same Imo State. But before we go into the newspaper to find out all these two in one, quite an interesting one, I must say, we would like to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Catholic priest and spiritual director of Adoration Ministry, Enugu, Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, has accused Imo State Governor, that's Governor Hope Uzodinma, of shunning him. How can you shun a man of God? Let's continue. Let's find out what it is. He said in his 2020 New Year message, the cleric has said Uzodinma of All Progressive Congress, APC, a former senator, will be sworn in as governor. In spite of all that would happen this 2020, there is hope in Imo State. There is hope in Imo State, he said. Imo people have suffered, but God is raising new hope that will be an agent of salvation for them. He said, okay, Imo Light, Judge, let's continue. Mbaka here of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, was the incumbent when Mbaka gave that prediction. Well, he said it's prophecy. Some people are saying that it is prediction. Events are unfolding. You will be the judge if this is prophecy or prediction. Time is now telling. Let's continue with the news. Imo elders in the party dismissed the prophecy weeks after the Supreme Court, in an unanimous decision, ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to issue Uzodinma a certificate of return. Justice Kudirat Kekere Ekun, who read the judgment, stated that the candidate of APC won on grounds that he pulled majority of the lawful votes cast at the election. Now Mbaka has disclosed that since Uzodinma assumed power, he has not answered his phone calls. Let's continue. The clergyman also told the people that the governor was also yet to return to the church to show appreciation. It is not that I'm asking for money. No, you are not. It's that I should advise him for good governance, Mbaka said. Yeah. I laugh in Swahili. Father Mbaka predicted President Muhammad Buhari's victory against former Goodluck Jonathan during the 2015 New Year message. Alright, but let's find out again what is happening in the same Imo State. In the same vein, things are truly happening. In the same Imo State, the government have decided to do what they have known best to do all this while, and that has to do with the Okigwe South Police Area Command Headquarters in Oriagu, Ehime Mbano local government area of Imo State has been attacked. At least 5 policemen who put up a fight were gunned down. The attackers stormed the police facility at about 7 p.m. and opened fire. The released suspect in custody in the police facility. It was gathered that the armory was looted in the process. The resident ran helter-skelter for safety while those caught up in their homes remained indoors. Police Public Relations Officer Orlando Ikoku confirmed the attack. The spokesman said 5 officers have been brought down while 1 is yet to be found. Ikoku added that the building was not set on fire. All right, we have seen the prediction of Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. He said it's bringing hope to Imo State. You guys judge for yourself. This kind of, when you say prediction and prophecy, we say time. We always tell, give them time. Don't be in a hurry to judge a man of God very quickly. He said, thus said the Lord, right? If the prophecies of the Lord shall stand, won't it? Finally, he said to bring hope. And then Imolites are crying every day, Every day we see the works of UGM. It's still the same Imo. It has never been this terrible in Imo State. In fact, all parts of South, but Imo State and Ebonyi State seem to be the worst hit among the Southeastern zone. All parts of definitely, but those two states have been receiving it back to back. Very hot hits. But going back to what Father Mbaka said, he said he didn't even come around to show up. That he's not begging for money. He did not beg for money. He only said, at least come and show appreciation now. The man of God predicted that you be a governor. He could not even show appreciation. Sorry, sir, with due respect, which one is appreciation? I said, okay, God bless you. I don't know. But then, going back to the real deal, the fact also that he said the governor himself does not pick his phone call again. Hey, the relationship has gone south. But very quickly, I want to read you an open letter, an emolite made to the governor, Right Honorable Emeka Mbaka, over the choices that was made. The young man wrote, "Dear sir, I write this letter to tender my unreserved apology to you." He's talking to Emeka Mbaka now. He said, "Over how I spoke ill of you during the few months you spent as the governor of Imo State. When you became governor, I saw numerous projects you kicked off in Imo State, and I ignorantly believed that you were only carrying out these projects for eye service, and I didn't fail to voice those thoughts to whoever cared to listen. However, such was not the case, as you were simply carrying out your obligation to the people that voted you in as governor. In hindsight, I can clearly see that you are one of the best governors Imo State ever had, as you prove to so many Imolites that any government that is willing to develop a state can do so within a very short time. Your love for peace is second to none. Little wonder you never join issues with your naysayers even till the last day in office. I sincerely wish you that you would run for governorship in 2023, as many Imolites are willing to vote you back into power. God bless you, sir." That is what an Imolite wrote, an open letter to former governor, Right Honorable Emeka Mbaka. But the question now is, well, will the Mbaka vote come to 2023? The question also is, will Nigeria still be in one piece come 2023? We do not know, with the way things are unfolding, and the level of antagonism going on even amongst brothers. You can see what is going on with IPOB. Oh, every time anything that happens has to be IPOB, it has to be ESN. Investigations they should, carry out investigations, because people are actually capitalizing on this whole insecurity issue and using the name tag, just to, give it to them. Proper investigations to be carried out, so that you don't keep calling the wrong people out thinking they are the one, while as people are busy coming in, perpetuating evil and causing mayhem and insecurity in the land. Well, that's where we're going to wrap it up. You have heard it all. It's still happening in Imo State. So many things, so many negativities coming out from that region, that state. And of course, Hope Uzodinma is not calling out, sorry, Father Mbaka is not calling out Hope Uzodinma that show some appreciation. Now you don't even pick my calls again. Now you're shunning me. Let's interact now.